Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this stopwatch clock widget on your home screen on any phones. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to get this super stopwatch clock widget on your home screen on any Android device. You can just play this. You can see it automatically start the time count, and also you can reset the time count on the by clicking tap on this. To get this widget, first of all, update your Google Clock application on the Play Store. Then just long press on your home screen, click on the widget option. Now scroll down, just find the Google Clock app. Click on this and just need to swipe on the side. So here you can find option called stopwatch. Control the stopwatch in the clock app. So just long press it and you can just place it on your home screen and just long press it again. So you can just resize the size of the widget. Then you can just tap here. So you have the second has been running here. You have the timer option. Just click this. So you can change the lap like lap 1, lap 2 and lap 3. And also you have the reset option. So this is a super wonderful stopwatch clock widget on your home screen. Is so useful to having if you're just doing your task or work. You can just calculate or you can just change your timing by using this stopwatch, and you can just calculate and do your work while you're just making a task on day-to-day life. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.